Welcome back. In this video, we're gonna continue learning more about the basics of C++. So let's go. First, let's write our include IO stream, and then what we're gonna do is using name space std, and then we're gonna create our main function. Let's open our main function, and let's first talk about the memory allocation. So if I create an integer and I name it my age, and after that I say my age equals 4, and then what I say cout, or it's not, that's not important, just let's talk about the memory allocation. So if I create an integer, what's gonna happen over here, in our memory, space gonna be allocated for our variable. So this variable, so let's suppose we have our memory over here, and it has some units on it, and basically this gonna be like over here, this space will be saved for my age, because we created a variable. So whenever you create a variable, and space in the memory will be allocated for it. And now if I cout my age, and let's run this now, it says 24, as you guys see over here, because the program, what happened, we allocated memory for my age and then told the program cout my age. So program, what did do is it said, okay, I have to print out the my age variable, and what's the value that's allocated for my age? Well, it's 24, so it goes and prints it out. And again, I would like to talk a little bit more about capitalization. So if I had my age written this way, it's not the same as this one. They are totally different. This over here A is capitalized, but over here A is small. So if I compile this one, it's gonna give me an error, because it says that there is no my age variable. There is no such a variable like this one, because over here it's capital. So if I change this to small, then we could run it without a problem. And yeah, so just keep in mind there is difference between the capital and small. And also, yeah, and what we did over here is that we assigned the value 24 to our variable. So whenever you write the variable this way, you have not assigned anything to it, but if you write plus equals 34 or 24 or whatever, then you assign a value for it, which means that a value allocated for this variable. And let's suppose I had I created a variable and I said John age, and another variable, and this time I assign the Sam age equals 25, and after that what I said John age equals Sam age, and let's print them out. Cout John and John age, and then we're gonna end line and go cout Sam age, and I say end line and return 0, or we already have it written. So if I, before running this program, let's explain what's gonna happen. So the way it will work, we have created a variable named John age, but we didn't assign any value to it. And then we created a variable which is Sam age, and we assigned the value 25 for it. So after that, in this statement, we said the John age is equal to the Sam age. So we said John age equals Sam age, which is equals to 25. So now we have that John equals 25 and Sam also is equal to 25. So if I print them now, they are both gonna give us 25. So let's go and print it out. It says Sam 25, John 25, and Sam also 25. But let me make a little bit change over here, and in which I say, after assigning the Sam age, let's change Sam age. Sam age equals 30 now. And if I run this statement over here, John will still have the 25. But after that, what I did, I changed the Sam to 30. But John won't change according to that, because it has the value of 25. So it will print 25 for it. Or we have an error. Oh yeah, we forgot to put the semicolon over here. And let's run it. It says John 25, Sam 30, because even though we had the John equal to Sam age, but it was equal to Sam age when the Sam was 25. Basically our program doesn't know that John age doesn't know that the Sam age has changed. So that's why it says, okay, I only know that you are 25. I don't have anything to do after that, because I assigned the value to John age. That's the way it works. So thank you for watching this video, and we will continue with the upcoming